Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear healthy food lovers, fitness enthusiasts, and home cooks, tuning in. A healthy breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, the simplest recipe is the one your body benefits from the most. Here's the Oats with Milk recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy. Oats with milk is a nutritious breakfast enjoyed worldwide for its creamy texture, quick preparation, and balanced nutrition. It's popular among fitness lovers, weight loss followers, and health-conscious families. The recipe takes only 12 minutes from start to finish, making it an excellent choice for busy mornings without sacrificing nutrition. The serving calculator lets you enter the number of people you are cooking for, and every ingredient updates automatically. This helps reduce guesswork, avoids unnecessary waste, and makes preparing larger or smaller servings much easier. The basic recipe uses rolled oats, milk, water, a little sugar, and a small amount of salt to create a smooth and creamy breakfast. You can also choose optional add-ons like banana, dry fruits, honey, or chia seeds to make the recipe even more nutritious and flavorful. The page also includes step-by-step cooking instructions, nutrition estimates, calorie information, preparation time, and helpful recipe notes, giving you everything you need in one place. Once you've selected your serving size and preferred add-ons, use the copy ingredients or print option to keep the recipe ready while cooking. Begin by adding the rolled oats and milk to a pan. Add the required amount of water and cook everything over a medium flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir continuously while cooking, so the oats become soft, creamy, and evenly cooked without sticking to the pan. Once the oats are fully cooked, add honey or sugar according to your taste and mix everything well. If you are using banana slices, dry fruits, or chia seeds, add them now. Stir gently and cook for about 1 more minute so the flavors combine evenly. Serve the oats warm for a comforting breakfast or prepare them in advance as overnight oats for a refreshing morning meal. Oats with milk provides an estimated 250 to 350 calories per serving, along with around 10 to 14 grams of protein and 4 to 6 grams of fiber. Its combination of fiber, protein, calcium, and essential nutrients supports digestion, provides lasting energy, and contributes to a balanced daily diet. Whether you are preparing breakfast for yourself, your children, or the whole family, oats with milk is simple enough for everyday cooking and flexible enough to suit different tastes. Small, healthy choices made every morning often lead to lasting healthy habits, and this recipe is a great place to begin. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.